All right, quick garden update, y'all. Made a few changes to things. As you guys can see, it is growing up. That tomato, it's a Better Boy vine, basically. It's all the way up to the top of the fence. So it's grown up quite well. Had some successes, had some failures. That's what it's all about. Got another chipmunk, bounced him to the river. That is doing an awesome job of keeping them out, the chipmunks specifically, out of the box, and they like to hide up under there too. But we'll go through the box. Oops, stepped on a rock. Cherry tomatoes and grapevine. That grapevine has been Catawba, I believe, very slow to get going, which is okay. But I don't know if you can see it, that guy back there, we'll walk over there. It's a muscadine grapevine, and it took off. And he is in a pot on a tomato cage. And he's doing just fine. I don't know if you can get grapes off of a potted plant, but we're gonna find out. All right, so the box is doing good. The floating grow box there, basically it's propped up by stones, 2x4 cut, more stones down there. Doing really good. I've had some pest issues though. These are slugs. The peppers are doing fine. They're just starting to take off now. They're starting to flower. Slugs are eating them badly. So I'm doing a few things, dichotomous earth, beer traps, that sort of thing to try and control the slugs. I've got some tomatoes down here. These are the patio. It's a real compact plant, this tomato plant, as opposed to this big long Better Boy right here. But that's got tomatoes on the vine, lots of them. That's gonna be good. Some more stuff seeding back there. Okra that I need to transplant. I've also started some tomatillos, and the slugs love baby tomatillo seedlings. You can see they eat the heads off of them. Yeah, they love those. A lot of this is tomatoes with the pepper mixed in here and there. There's a pepper, bell pepper. That bell pepper's not doing so hot. He's probably too close to this ginormous tomato plant. And I just refertilized these guys too, so they are going through a bit of a growth spurt. This is a limb, but there's a couple other some smaller tomato plants that I brought up from seed mixed in here on the side of the box. I'm real close to having to kind of cage this in. I'll show you what I'm gonna do. Put a post here, put a post down there, and then string it in. That way it'll kind of keep everything from spilling out. Like this tomato plant over here is just completely spilled off the side. Which, hey, if that's what he wants to do, go for it. We'll see what happens. If it's a good thing, we might try to do more of those next year. But if it's not, we'll figure out a way to keep that from happening. But this is another one of the compact plants. Kind of interesting. It is flowering. It's got some blight in there that I need to cut off. Yeah. I'm gonna prop that guy up a little bit. Don't want him touching the ground. So yeah, we are right on the verge of having lots of tomatoes. A lot of the peppers I've moved out to the front yard because it gets more sun out there. They're all in pots. Basil, that started off not so good, and it's came roaring back. I think these pots up here get dry, these little hangers. So keeping those wet all the time is key. And this is mint for mojitos. So yeah, that same thing. You know, when we first put that in, it didn't blow up so well. But after a while, it started to take, and it's been getting lots and lots of water. All right, so new addition, more like a hobo garden, basically. I needed to take some trees out to get some more light back here. So, water system. Whole nother tomato row over here, and the other gardens on the other side of the fence. So those are doing fine. They started flowering as soon as I put them there. This gets, you know, it's right on that 6-hour range of full light. So I should get some tomatoes from this spot. That's basically what we got there. Cilantro, a couple little cilantro pots around here, but basically just a, you know, food garden. The water system is working out good, except when it fills up, I've got to come drain it. I'm starting to get some runoff here. Part of the problem is that French drain or whatever they've got in the ground there is blocked up, so water's not flowing. That was a problem before the water barrel and the diverter. That's the diverter up there, so it takes water from the roof into the barrel. But yeah, still gotta work on that. So there it is, quick garden update. Right on the verge of tomatoes. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions. Take care.